What's up, YouTube? We're at Joe Creek, guys. We got about maybe 30 minutes to fish, maybe 45. Trying to get a quick clip in today. Last day of vacation, guys, so I want to get as much practice in as I can, because next week, once again, we have another tournament, which I'm really ecstatic about. Ready to get going, and let's just try to see if we can get sharper and catch some fish. Stay tuned. Out of rocks. Yeah, we gotta move down. This is a little bit out of hand. All right, guys. We're throwing the sickle, as you guys can see, from Bassreaper. Leap your limits. Go check out Bassreaper, guys. Great baits, great price. And you got some cool people, guys, on the staff. I'm a team member also, guys, so gotta get you a couple. I'm just gonna talk real quick on this. Got the changeling, guys. It's not just a sale, guys. It's just some of the things. I know a lot of you guys probably haven't heard of it yet. It's the changeling. Of course, you got the sickle, guys. Just not trying to sell you guys on anything, but I'm trying to shed some light to a great company with great people behind it, guys. So you guys can get in there and get you some good baits at a good price. Boy. All right, that's one off the sickle. Nice little spot. Got us a little spot, guys. Off the sickle, guys. Not a monster, but it'll work, though. Thought that was an earthworm. It's burgundy looking color, guys. Makes it look like it's an earthworm out here. So these guys are all on it. That's the size I kept having bite over there. It's not huge, but something just to pull down on it. He's right in that current too. Spot. Kind of figured he'd be there too.